Hola! Soy el profesor. In Spanish, unlike in English, all nouns and adjectives have both gender and number. A very important aspect of the Spanish language is the agreement of nouns and adjectives in those two areas. Let's talk about gender first. Every noun, be it a person or a thing, is either masculine or feminine. Let's start with people. We have el muchacho and la muchacha, the boy and the girl. It's pretty obvious here that el muchacho is masculine and la muchacha is feminine. Now, two words that do not relate to a person are el colegio and la escuela. They both mean school, right? El colegio is masculine. La escuela is feminine. Most nouns that end in O are masculine. Most nouns that end in A are feminine. So, what is the gender of el curso? That's right, masculine. And the gender of la música? Feminine, correct. Nouns also have number. What do we mean by number? We mean singular, one, or plural, more than one. The words el muchacho and la muchacha are singular. Now, let's make them plural. El becomes los and la becomes las. Then we add an S to the end of each noun, and we have the plural forms, los muchachos and las muchachas. Now on to adjectives. An adjective must agree with the noun in gender, masculine or feminine, and in number, singular or plural. When the noun is masculine, the adjective is masculine. When the noun is feminine, the adjective is feminine. With muchacho, we use serio or cómico. The O's in the adjectives match the O in the noun muchacho. With muchacha, we use seria or cómica. The A's match. See what happens in the plural, los muchachos cómicos y las muchachas serias. When the noun is plural, the adjective is plural too. Notice that unlike in English, most adjectives follow the noun rather than precede it. Adjectives that end in E have only two forms, singular and plural. Gender is not a factor. El muchacho inteligente, la muchacha inteligente. But if there is more than one intelligent boy, los muchachos inteligentes, we make it plural by simply adding S. Or if there is more than one intelligent girl, las muchachas inteligentes, we use inteligentes for male and female as well as groups of mixed company. An adjective that ends in a consonant has only two forms, singular and plural formed by adding ES. Gender is not a factor. Un curso fácil. Dos cursos fáciles. Una muchacha popular. Dos muchachas populares. I said that almost all nouns ending in O are masculine and almost all nouns ending in A are feminine. Well, there are nouns in Spanish that end in E. These nouns can be masculine or feminine. We must learn case by case whether the noun is feminine or masculine. Here are two very common examples, la clase, el café. How does a noun ending in E become plural? In the same way an adjective that ends in E does, by adding an S. Las clases, los cafés. Agreement of nouns and adjectives. In this activity, you will practice noun and adjective agreement. Choose the correct word or words to complete each sentence.
Inteligente.
El muchacho es inteligente. La casa es grande. Amiga. Es una amiga buena. Serias. Las muchachas son serias. El, interesante. El libro es interesante. Escuelas. Buenas. Las escuelas son buenas. Mexicana. Ella es mexicana. Profesores. Cómicos. Los profesores son cómicos. Adiós.